Alright, so let's just do a quick recap of the problems that you guys did yesterday. So, on 1 through 6, you were finding the reference angle. So, for number 1, you should have had 50 degrees. 2 was 70 degrees. 3 was 40. 4 is 70. 5 was 80. And 6 was also 80. Overall, those of you that had questions, I think most of you got them to me yesterday. If you didn't, please email me so I can make a video working out those problems and send it to you guys individually if you need it. Alright, so on page 2, we were finding the measure of the angle. So number 1 was negative 110. 2 is negative 940. 3 is 480. And 4 is 765. Alright, so again, remember that if your angle is going like downward, right, that means it's a negative angle. It's going in that negative direction. If it's going up, it's a positive angle. Alright, your angles for 7 and 8 should look something like what I have drawn here. Right, so 170 is about 10 from our 180 line here. Then number 8, 5, 10. So I would have subtracted 360, which told you that it would have been 150, and then drawn the 150 angle. But then remember that the angle is actually 510 degrees, so you have to go around once to get 360, then the extra 150 when you draw your arrow of rotation. Okay, so then number 15 through 18, we're converting from degrees to radians. So remember, in that case, you're multiplying by pi over 180. So number 15 is 4 pi over 3. 16 is 7 pi over 4. 17 is 25 pi over 36. And 18 is negative 17 pi over 9. Remember to reduce those fractions. Alright, 19, we're going from radians to degrees, so we're multiplying by 180 over pi. So 19 is 855, 20 is 45, 21 is negative 430, 22 is negative 310. Alright, again, your test is tomorrow. We've got 20 questions. You guys shouldn't have any issues there. But again, if you are having trouble with something, please email me so I can help you. Okay?